This is not a nice-to-have flashlight, this is a control-the-dark tool. When everything shuts down and the night becomes unpredictable, this kind of output changes the situation fast. That massive light throw isn't just about brightness, it's about awareness. You can scan wide areas, identify movement, spot threats early, and move with confidence instead of guessing. The build feels solid in the hand, not cheap or toy-like, and it's clearly designed to be used hard, not babied. What really makes it survival-worthy is the rechargeable setup and endurance. You're not burning through disposable batteries every night, and you're not worried about light dying at the worst moment. It holds power well, delivers consistent output, and gives you the kind of visibility that keeps mistakes from happening. In a doomsday scenario, light equals safety, control, and decision-making, and this thing delivers all three without excuses. This is one of those pieces of gear that doesn't look dramatic, but quietly becomes one of the most valuable items you own. Power is currency when systems collapse, and this backpack turns movement into energy. As long as the sun is up and you're on the move, you're generating power without noise, fuel, or attention. That means radios stay alive, lights stay charged, GPS devices keep working, and that's huge. The real strength here is how natural it fits into survival life. You're already carrying gear, already walking, already traveling, and this just works in the background. No setup rituals, no fragile panels to baby. It's simple, reliable, and consistent. In long-term scenarios, this kind of silent, renewable power keeps you independent. No grid, no generators, just you, sunlight, and functioning gear when everyone else goes dark. This is the kind of tool you don't appreciate fully until you actually need to build, cut, or process wood under pressure. The folding design keeps it compact and safe to carry, but once it's open, it feels like a serious cutting tool, not a backup toy. It bites into wood cleanly, stays stable, and lets you work efficiently instead of wasting energy, swinging blades, or breaking branches the hard way. In real survival situations, this saw earns its place fast. Shelter building, firewood processing, clearing paths, emergency construction, it handles all of it with control and precision. No fuel, no noise, no complicated parts. Just sharp steel doing its job. It's reliable, easy to maintain, and effective even when your strength is low. That's exactly the kind of tool you want when survival turns from theory into reality. This isn't just a hammock, it's a smart way to stay off the ground when the ground becomes the problem. In real survival conditions, sleeping flat, dry, and protected matters more than comfort marketing words. The flat lay design changes everything. Your body isn't curved, you're not fighting pressure points all night, and you wake up functional instead of stiff and drained. Add the built-in shelter element, and now you're protected from insects, moisture, and unpredictable weather without hauling a full tent. What makes this valuable in a doomsday setup is flexibility. Trees, uneven terrain, wet ground, none of that stops you. You set up fast, break down faster, and stay invisible compared to bulky shelters. It keeps your heat, keeps your gear close, and keeps you rested, which is critical when every day demands energy and awareness. This is survival sleep done right, efficient, low profile, and dependable. Fire is survival, and this lighter doesn't mess around. Unlike standard lighters that struggle in wind or damp conditions, the torch flame delivers focused heat exactly where you need it. That means faster ignition, less fuel wasted, and no frustration when conditions aren't perfect. Small size, solid feel, and controlled output make it the kind of tool you trust instead of hope will work. In long-term scenarios, reliability beats convenience every time. This lighter handles repeated use, tough environments, and real fire-starting tasks, not just lighting stoves. Whether it's tinder, cordage, emergency repairs, or controlled burns, it gives you precision instead of chaos. It's one of those small tools that quietly carries massive responsibility, and it delivers when pressure is on. This is a last-line survival tool with serious purpose behind it. The reverse draw system isn't just a gimmick, it's about power efficiency, compactness, and control. You get strong bolt velocity in a small platform, which makes it practical when space, mobility, and concealment matter. Quiet operation is a huge advantage here. No blast, no attention, no wasted energy. What really stands out is how controlled and deliberate this weapon feels. It's not spray and pray, every shot is intentional. For small game hunting, perimeter defense, or emergency scenarios where silence matters more than speed, this earns its place. Simple mechanics, repeatable performance, and no dependence on ammunition supply chains. When resources dry up, tools like this keep working. This is the kind of knife that feels honest the moment you grip it. No flashy nonsense, just a solid, purpose-built tool that's meant to work when everything else fails. The blade profile is practical, strong at the spine, and designed to handle real tasks without hesitation. Cutting, carving, splitting, controlled prying, it feels balanced and dependable, like it wants to be used instead of displayed. Where this knife earns respect is versatility under pressure. One tool, many jobs, no complaints. When you're processing wood, preparing food, making traps, or handling emergency repairs, this stays consistent. It holds up, stays sharp longer than you expect, and doesn't punish your hand after extended use. In survival, trust matters, and this is the kind of knife you stop thinking about because it just works. This isn't a flashlight, it's a long-distance problem solver. The beam reach alone changes how you move at night. Instead of flooding light everywhere, it throws focused power exactly where you need it, letting you identify objects, terrain, or movement far ahead without giving away your position. The construction feels tough, purpose-driven, and ready to take abuse without flickering or failing. What really makes this valuable is control. Simple operation, fast access, and consistent output when it counts. No fumbling through modes, no guessing if it'll dim at the wrong time. In survival situations, light isn't comfort, it's information. And this delivers clear, reliable information in the dark, over distance, without drama. This is a serious piece of survival engineering, not a novelty weapon. Compact, powerful, and surprisingly efficient, it gives you controlled force without noise or dependency on complex systems. The repeating design means faster follow-up shots while staying calm and deliberate, no panic, no rush, just precision. It's built to be carried, deployed, and trusted. In long-term survival, this kind of tool changes how you approach hunting and defense. Ammunition is reusable, maintenance is manageable, and operation stays quiet. That combination matters more than raw power. When resources are limited and attention is dangerous, tools like this let you stay effective without drawing the world to you. It's practical, disciplined, and built for people who think ahead. This is one of those tools that seems simple until you realize how powerful reliability really is. When conditions are wet, cold, or unpredictable, fire starting stops being a skill test and becomes a survival requirement. These fire strips remove the guesswork. Tear, spark, flame, that's it. No fighting damp tinder, no wasted energy, no frustration when your hands are already cold or tired. What makes this role valuable is consistency. It burns hot, ignites fast, and gives you enough working time to build a real fire instead of chasing embers. That means warmth, cooking, water purification, and morale, all from something lightweight and easy to carry. In Doomsday scenarios, tools that guarantee results earn their place, and this does exactly that. This tool sits right between knife and axe, and that's where its strength lives. The weight distribution is intentional, giving you controlled chopping power without needing full axe swings. That means less fatigue and more precision, especially in tight spaces or when energy matters. The build feels thick, confident, and purpose-driven, no flex, no hesitation. In survival use, this shines when wood processing becomes daily work. Shelter building, fire prep, clearing paths, it handles it without feeling awkward or overkill. You're not switching tools constantly, and you're not fighting the design. It's efficient, aggressive when needed, and reliable enough to become a core part of your setup. That balance is rare and valuable. A survival setup is only as good as how well you can carry it, and this pack understands that reality. 50 liters gives you real capacity without turning you into a slow-moving target. The layout is practical, with enough compartments to stay organized while still being flexible. Weight distribution feels balanced, and the straps don't punish you after hours on the move. What makes this backpack survival ready is endurance. It's built to be worn day after day, not just on weekend hikes. Gear stays accessible, load stays stable, and your energy stays where it belongs on moving forward. In long-term scenarios, mobility equals options, and this pack helps keep those options open. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and ring the notification bell so you don't miss the next one. More survival gear, more real-world breakdowns coming soon.